Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix if a reel is unavailable on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Now, go to your profile. Here, tap on Menu on your top right. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Help. Then select the option to report a problem. Again, tap the Report a Problem button. Now select Don't Include and Continue. On this page, you need to type your problem. I'm typing, I cannot see reels because they are unavailable. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. Thank you. Once you're done typing your problem, tap on Click to continue. It will fix your problem soon. Also, go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. Make sure your app is updated if it's not updated to the latest version. Once it is done, open the Instagram application again. You'll see that your problem will be fixed by updating the application. As you can see, the reels are now available. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.